separation by sedimentation, and decantation. Sedimentation, the process in which a suspension of insoluble fine particles suspended in a liquid are allowed to stand undisturbed, such that solid particles settle down, leaving the clear liquid above, is called sedimentation. Sediment, the insoluble solid material which settles down when a suspension is allowed to stand undisturbed, is called a sediment. Supernatant liquid, the clear liquid above the sediment when a suspension is allowed to stand undisturbed, is called supernatant liquid. Decantation, the process of pouring out the clear supernatant liquid above the sediment, thus helping the separation of solid particles from liquid, is called decantation. The technique of sedimentation and decantation. It is useful in the separation of the clay and sand particles from the muddy water. Drawbacks of decantation. 1. The constituents of the mixture of solid and liquid do not get separated completely. 2. The constituents of a solid lighter than liquid cannot be separated as they float on the surface of liquid rather than settling down.
अगर आप अपने सिलेबस के सारे चैप्टर्स इस फॉर्मेट में देखना चाहते हैं तो हमें डिस्क्रिप्शन में दिए गए नंबर पर कॉल करें। ऐसे ही और एजुकेशनल वीडियोस देखने के लिए हमारे चैनल होम रिवाइज को सब्सक्राइब करें।
Separation by filtration. Filtration, the process of separation of insoluble solid constituent of a mixture from its liquid constituent by passing it through some porous material, is called filtration. Filtrate, the clear liquid obtained from a mixture of a solid and a liquid by the process of filtration, is called filtrate. Residue, the insoluble solid constituent left on the filter paper when a mixture of an insoluble solid and a liquid is filtered, is called residue. Table, in a solid liquid mixture of silver chloride and water, the residue is silver chloride and the filtrate is water. In a mixture of barium sulfate and water, barium sulfate is the residue and water is the filtrate. And in a chalk and water mixture, chalk is the residue while water is the filtrate. The method of filtration is employed for the solid liquid mixtures as shown in the table. Method 1. Filter paper is generally available in the form of a circular disc. It is folded to form a cone as illustrated in the figure. 2. A glass funnel is moistened with water. The filter paper cone is inserted in the cavity of the funnel and is pressed on the sides. This expels out the air and the filter paper cone sticks tightly to the walls of the funnel. 3. The funnel is clamped in an iron stand and under its stem is placed a beaker such that the wall of the beaker is in contact with the stem of the funnel. 4. The suspension of the solid liquid is poured in the funnel slowly with the help of a glass rod as illustrated in the figure. 5. The filtrate collects in the beaker. The residue is left on the filter paper. The residue is dried either in hot air or in the folds of the filter paper.
अगर आप अपने सिलेबस के सारे चैप्टर्स इस फॉर्मेट में देखना चाहते हैं तो हमें डिस्क्रिप्शन में दिए गए नंबर पर कॉल करें। ऐसे ही और एजुकेशनल वीडियोस देखने के लिए हमारे चैनल होम रिवाइज को सब्सक्राइब करें।
Separation by evaporation, the process of changing a liquid into a gas below its boiling point by the supply of external heat, is called evaporation. The process of evaporation is suitable for the separation of non-volatile soluble solid from its liquid solvent. The table shows the solid-liquid mixtures which can be separated by evaporation. In the solid-liquid mixture of common salt and water, the non-volatile solid is common salt and the liquid is water. In the mixture of sodium sulfate and water, the non-volatile solid is sodium sulfate and the liquid is water. And in the solid-liquid mixture of carbon disulfide and sulfur, sulfur is the non-volatile solid while carbon disulfide is the liquid. Method: heat the sand in an iron vessel by placing it over a tripod stand. This arrangement is called a sand bath. 2. Take the clear solution of soluble non-volatile substance in the china dish. Place the china dish on the sandbar. 3. Heat gently such that water, that is the liquid, evaporates but does not boil. Continue heating till liquid completely evaporates. 4. When almost dry solid is left, reduce the flame but go on heating for another 5 minutes. This helps in 1. Forming completely dry solid. 2. It will prevent the spurting, that is jumping out of solid from the china dish due to excessive heat. Separation by distillation. The process of conversion of a liquid into gaseous state on boiling and then recondensing the gas so formed into liquid by condensation in another vessel is called distillation. It is used in the situations where the liquid component of solid-liquid mixture is required in pure state. The table shows some of the solid-liquid mixtures which can be separated by distillation. Method. 1. The solid-liquid mixture is placed in a distillation flask. The distillation flask is connected to Liebig's condenser, at the end of which is placed a receiver to collect distilled liquid, that is the distillate, as shown in the figure. 2. When the distillation flask is heated, the liquid starts boiling. The vapor of liquid passes through the Liebig's condenser, where they condense to form liquid. The liquid so formed trickles into the receiver. 3. The solid component of mixture forms residue in the flask.
अगर आपको इस चैप्टर का कंप्लीट वीडियो देखना है तो होम रिवाइज स्टडी ऐप अभी डाउनलोड करें।